In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in DocuSign. Beginner Tutorial 2026. If you've recently moved to a new email or just want to consolidate accounts, updating your email in DocuSign is quick and secure. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official DocuSign website. Sign in with your current email address and password. Make sure you can access the new email you plan to use, because you'll need to verify it in a moment. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Settings. This takes you to your account setup area where you can manage your personal details. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Profile or Personal Information. This is where DocuSign stores contact info tied to your account. Before you change anything, a quick reminder. I've placed the official DocuSign website link at the very top of the video description, so you can get to the correct sign-in page quickly and safely. Use that link if you need it. Back in your profile or personal information page, locate the email address field, click Edit, then carefully type your new email address. Double check for typos. An incorrect address means you won't receive the verification message. When you're confident it's correct, click Save or Update to apply the change. DocuSign will immediately send a verification email to the new address. Open your inbox in a new tab or on your phone. Look for the message from DocuSign and click the confirmation link inside to complete the change. If you don't see it after a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder. If it still hasn't arrived, return to the DocuSign page and look for an option to resend the verification email. Keep your DocuSign tab open while you verify so the process finishes smoothly. After confirming, head back to the DocuSign sign-in page. This time, log in using your new email address and your existing password. Your password does not change as part of this process, only your login email. You should now see your account just as before, with your new email officially linked. And that's it. You signed in, opened settings, went to your profile, edited and saved your email, verified it, and signed back in with the new address. That's how to change your email address in DocuSign using the beginner tutorial for 2026. Thanks for watching.